Bismillahir-Rahmanir-Rahim.
Assalamu alaikum. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix Facebook personal profile name not accepted or approved. But before watching this video tutorial, I request you to subscribe on Video's YouTube channel. So let's start video tutorial. To solve Facebook personal profile name rejected, you need to follow the steps shown in this video. 1. You should use your real name written on national identity card packs. The name should be belong to individual or human being only and not related to an idea or an organization. If still your problem persists, then you need to fill out My Name Was Accepted form. You need to log out first before using this form. Let's move on to laptop screen to show you how to fill this form. Enter your first name and surname or last name. Enter email of your Facebook personal profile account for which your name was rejected. Select your gender. Select birthday year from drop menu. Click Choose Files to submit ID front and back sides. Checkbox for age. Now click Send. You will be notified by Facebook team about the decision made. Please subscribe on Video's YouTube channel. Thanks for watching the video. Allah Hafiz.